Hi, and welcome back. So, in this section today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to create a supplier in PEASx. Well, before you create a purchase invoice or purchase order, you must create a supplier. To do that, go to the menu bar on the top of the screen. Click Ledgers. Select Create New Ledgers. You'll find that a new window opens. PEASx follows all the accounting rules so that you can generate all accounting-related reports effortlessly. Now, all your customers and suppliers will be listed as a ledger in your book of accounts. In Ledger Name, what you need to do is enter the name of the supplier and hit Enter. Now, you need to create an alias. Alias is some other name of the supplier. This is done mainly to identify the supplier. You have the option of leaving this field empty though. Now in Ledger Group, type creditor. And when you type in this field, you'll see that the suggested groups appear. You can select the group by pressing the down arrow key. Now select Sundry Creditor. All your suppliers are listed as Sundry Creditors, and your customers are listed as Sundry Debtors. Select Sundry Creditor and hit the Enter key. Some other ledger-related options are asked here. You can leave all these fields with default value and keep pressing the Enter key until you reach the opening balance. Now, if you have any old transaction, you can enter the value in this field. Hit Enter. In this field, you'll see that a DR is written. Now, DR means debit. If you need to pay any amount to the supplier, it should be CR. CR meaning credit. Press C to change to CR and hit the Enter and move to Save. Now another window will open up, and in this window you can enter the address, city, state, phone number, and all other required information about the customer. In case the supplier has a registered GSTN, you can enter it here. You can enter the PAN number or the PAN number, the sales tax number, and the CST number here. Move to Save when you've entered all the necessary information, and the window will close automatically after the data is saved. Now, you'll see that your supplier is listed in your software. Go to the menu bar on the top of the screen, select Debtors and Creditors. You can see that your supplier is listed with all the information that you've fed in, and you're ready to make a purchase and a purchase order. So that's all for this section today. Continue using the PEASx systems, and I'm sure you've realized by now how easy it is and how much easier it has become to use accounting software. So till then, have fun and have a great day. Bye.